What if I told you you can go from being broke to making $2,000 to $5,000 every month from the comfort of your home? Make sure to stick around. Make sure not to skip this video, because what I'll be showing you is very important. It's gonna change your life. It's life-changing opportunities, life-changing online side hustle that you've never seen before. Make sure to stick around, because what I'm bringing to you is a gold mine. Stick around. Do well to subscribe. Do well to leave a comment. Do well to like. And thank you in advance. Okay, let's get down straight to business. Starting with the first site. It's a site where you have to sign up to and answer simple questions, student questions, questions from students who needs tutors. Like, if you don't need to be a tutor, you don't need to have any experience, you don't need to have any degree or anything. If you are knowledgeable, if simple questions, not difficult questions, if you're unemployed, if you know you can answer these questions, you come on the site, you sign up to become a taxer, and you answer students' questions. Students are always online looking for answers to questions. So you answer their questions and you get paid with proof of people getting paid every week, every day. The moment you do your tax, you're going to get paid. And this site is a legit site which is recognized by Forbes, recognized by well-known brands. So starting with the first site that we're talking about, the first site is called School Solver. So I'm going to be showing you guys my screen and you get to see how to go about it. Okay, you come to schoolsolver.com. When you come to schoolsolver.com, you see find help for school assignments or answer questions. Ask questions or answer questions. So your job here is to answer questions. You are the expert that is answering students' questions. So when you come to answer questions, you can just scroll down. You see only expert tutor, all subjects covered, meaning from physics to biology to economics, whatever subject that you are knowledgeable in, you get to answer questions from different students and you get paid. When you come down here, you see latest answered questions, assignments, show the cause of your wide IFEMI question, the question write a function that question. When you come here, top earners, you see this expert solution is making $33,000 every month. This person is making 24,000. This person is making 16,000. This person is making 11,000. So you can see the top earners on the site, how much you're making. So when you come to the website, you come here, you register. You click here to register to become an expert. Then you come to answer questions. You get to see questions from all categories: physics, business, biology, English language, communications, education, whatever thing that you have expertise in. If you cannot find your expertise, what you're expert in, you come to the search bar and you search for it. You can search virtual assistant, digital market. If you're a digital marketer, you want to answer questions about any other thing, business, social media, you can just come on here and search and you see the questions. And you can see from here, each question a student is asking has a budget, meaning they're going to pay you. Each question has a budget. So different questions have different budgets, have different salaries. That's what I mean to say. You can come to this question. It's a foreign language question. Translation, meaning the person wants you to translate a particular thing for them and they will pay you $8.99, $8.99. This other person wants you to. It's a psychology question, and if you answer it, you get paid $23. You can see most of these questions are recent because today is 19th of December. You come to this question here for $500 in English. The carbon circle is question. I think this question should be related to like physics or chemistry or something like that. If you have expertise in any of the subjects, you can come on here, answer this question, and you get paid. So you can see the question and you see the due date of the question. Each question, for example, this question of $500 or this other question of translation, look at the due date, when it was posted and when the person like needs you to submit the answers. When you come, you can go further. When you go further, you view different questions. This is about statistics and they're paying $300. This is about business and the person is paying $8. This is about chemistry. The person is paying $40. This is about biology and so forth and so on. This is about mathematics and the student is paying $15. This is about Asian studies. The student is paying $69. and so on and so forth. You get to see different. If you see here, you can see that we have 1669 sections of these questions. So I feel like you get questions from every category that you might be looking for. So you just need to come on here. If you are a graduate, if you general knowledge, even translation question, you don't need to be a graduate to be able to translate. Like this translation, you don't need to have a degree for you to be able to translate to any language. So you just need to come on here, register, and start answering questions, and you get paid. If you have any questions about it, you come here. So we come on here. This is, for example, I post an answer, but it's never bought. Engage with the questionnaire before answering the questions, meaning you have to make sure the student who asked the question has verified or clarified details with you before you answer that question. So don't go ahead and answer a question and just submit it without verifying from the student who asked the question. Some of the questions look fake and don't make sense. Why is that? We do our best to filter out fake. If I post an answer, can other users see what is in my answer before buying it? The content of your answer are private until purchase. So if you post an answer and nobody will see it until the person has to pay for the answer. What happens if a buyer claims my answer and it's not good or not as described? If a buyer disputes the quality of your answer, try to resolve their concern directly. So I feel like you have to 100% honest, and you have to make sure before you answer a question for any student, you clarify with the person before you answer any of their questions, so you don't get to have any payment issues. How do I get paid? Once someone purchases your answer, funds are added to your school server account. Withdrawals can be made via PayPal and other methods listed in your account settings. So when you go to your account settings, you will see the withdrawal methods that they do have. How long does it take to process a withdrawal? Standard withdrawal are processed within 21 days. How can I refund an answer? How urgent? So you can just come on here. You can see every month. So it's like an every month thing because standard withdrawals are processed 21 days. 21 days, that's like a month. It's almost like a month. It's almost like you doing a job. So if you can put your mind into this, and you answer questions, maybe like you might not do it every day, or you might answer three questions. If you have valid good three questions every week, that paying you like $500 or $200. You're trying to make at least $1,500 $2,000 every month from this site. So definitely it's a good site that you can consider. And make sure before you answer a question, as they emphasize on the side, before you answer a question, make sure to clarify with the student that you answer the question. And you should keep in mind that if you post a question, if you answer a particular question, nobody will get to see a question until you buy the question. So they will need to buy the question to be able to see the answer to the question. So go ahead, sign up to the site and start answering questions. Become a freelancer, start answering student questions, and get paid every month. The second site I'll be talking about it's actually a site where you can also become a taxer or a freelancer, and you can earn up to like $10,000 every month as a freelancer on the site. So, and the site is called Air Tax Car. So you become a taxer, you answer questions, you browse tax, or you answer people's questions, what they need from you, and you get paid. So you come to airtaxcar.com. When you come here, airtaxer.com, you say be your own boss and up to $10,750 a month on AirTaxer, based on the average monthly earnings of the top 1%. So how does it work? All on your terms. Find jobs that fit your skills and your schedule. Get going for free, join for free, and start earning straight away. Payments unlock. Receive payments directly to your bank account when tasks are completed. Skills can trail. Put all your skills on display, from designing a logo to decluttering a home. So whatever your skill is, you just come on here. So what are you going to be doing? You're going to be browsing tax. You come on categories. You can see that they do have every category here: accountancy, admin, appliances, bakers, barbers, beauticians, whatever, and so forth and so on. You come to browse tax. When you come to browse tax, you can see different tax and the different amounts they are willing to pay you, and you can browse the tax according to your locations. So maybe you are in let's say you're in the States, or let me just browse any location for you guys. Let's say Australia, I think. Okay, you come here, you see the different tax and the amount the people are willing to pay you to do the different tax. For example, this person says help moving my couch. Okay, this person wants someone that can help him or her to move their furnitures. That's their couch, and the person is willing to pay $100. This other person says shirt to be altered. Like maybe it's a shirt or something they want you to redesign if you are a fashion designer or something, and they're willing to pay you $1,234. This person say 2 way zipper size on sleeping bag. So this one, if you're a designer too, this other one says preparation of 3 written submissions. Like you have to prepare like a project or something, and the person is willing to pay $210. This person says weekly ironing. Weekly ironing, $25. Is remote. Most of them are remote jobs. This other person says freelance web developer. So if you're a web developer and you are good at what you do, this person is willing to pay you $300. This person says road writing and small drawing for pine timber box. Okay, this person says looking for survey participants, and it's remote anytime, meaning you can apply for this job and you can do it at any time. This person is a UGC content creator. If you like creating content, you can come to this. You can apply to do this. So you can see different tasks that you can get to do and you get paid. This person said, I need to get my Google page back. So if you're this one has to do with maybe if you're a developer or something, you can help the person get their page back. This person says move bed frame and mattress. Maybe bed frames. I don't know if that's what the person meant. This person said attract more customers. Playlist mix on USB. This person says I need help with Blender 3D software, and they're willing to pay $200. This person says I need to get 2 chairs upholstered, $125. So you can see that they have different tags, and make sure to apply to the tags of your location. So when you come on here, you put your location where you are. You indicate if you want it in person. If you can do it in person, if you can go to the person's location to do it, or you want to do it remotely, and they are going to show you just remote jobs. So let's do just remote. So just remote, you see social media management. This person is looking for a social media manager, and they're willing to pay $1,000. This person says help moving my couch. So you can see all these ones are remote, and you can do it from anywhere in the world and you get paid for it. So before you start, you have to go to the sign up. You have to go to become a taxer, and you sign up with your email, with your Gmail, and you start making money. And make sure to come to Hide. And they do have an app, so you don't need to stress yourself too much. You can download the app. You don't need to stress yourself too much. You can either download the app from the Google Play Store or the App Store, and you do it from the comfort of your phone. You don't need to get your laptop every time you want to do something. You can just like wherever you are, wherever location you are, you can just do any task that you know is convenient and you have expertise in, and you get paid. Whenever you complete the task, you will get paid. And make sure to mark it as complete and you get paid. And you can also, why not, post jobs that you know, maybe things that you know you cannot do them by yourself. Maybe you also need a social media manager, or you need somebody to help you with something. You can also post it on the site, and you get people that are willing to help you for a particular amount that you're willing to pay to them. So those are the 2 legit sites that I brought to you guys on this video, and make sure to try 1 or 2 of them because they actually do pay. You can see from if you go to the facts, the questions, you can see if you go to Trustpilot and you see the reviews of the site, you see that those are legit sites that people are making money every month, and they do make a handful to meet their day-to-day needs. So that will be all for this video for today. Make sure to like, make sure to leave a comment, make sure to try the sites. If you try them, make sure to leave a comment of the ones that you were successful with and how much did you get paid, and subscribe to the channel. I would love if you subscribe to the channel and support in any little way. Thank you all so much. This will be the end of this video, and see you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe.